Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Sharekhan 3-hour actionable stock updates, where we discuss the latest investment ideas published by Sharekhan Research. 3R basically means the right sector, the right quality and the right valuation. And the first stock update for the day is on Larsen & Toubro. Analyst maintains a buy on L&T with a revised price target of 1,900 due to an undemanding core business valuation and positive business outlook bearing near-term COVID-led concerns. Q1 FY22 consolidated revenues marginally below while OPM largely in line. Management retains order inflow and revenue guidance of low single to mid-teen for FY22 with OPM and net working capital at the same level as FY21 despite COVID and commodity-led headwinds. Order prospects at 8.96 trillion rupees and order backlog of 3.23 trillion rupees, which is 2.2 times trailing 12-month sales, continue to stay healthy. Disinvestment of power projects and road assets, while asset restructuring and equity partner for Hyderabad Metro, hopeful to conclude during the current year. And the second stock update for the day is on Ramkrishna Forgings. Analyst maintains a buy on Ramkrishna Forgings with a revised price target of 940, led by a strong commercial vehicle business outlook in India, Europe and North America. The company reported better than expected EBITDA margins in Q1 FY22, led by product mix and cost reductions. Analyst has increased earnings estimate for FY22 estimates and for FY23 estimates by 10% and 7.7% to 32 rupees and 52.9 rupees per share respectively. This is driven by new order wins and margin expansion. Recovery in domestic business, new order wins, improvement in content per vehicle, and foray into passenger vehicle segment will be the key growth drivers for the company going forward. And the last stock update for the day is on Philips Carbon Black. Analyst maintains a positive view on Philips Carbon Black with a price target of 295, as earnings outlook remains strong given limited impact on volumes from the lockdown and sustained strong carbon black margin cycle. Q1 FY22 EBITDA largely in line as beat in volumes gets offset by a miss in margins, which was impacted by higher international freight cost as volumes diverted to export market. We expect 18% PAT CAGR over FY21 to 23, led by robust volume growth and high margin, along with a return on equity of 19.3%. Valuation of 9.8 times is attractive considering strong carbon black demand, margin cycle and robust free cash flow generation. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.